Hello everyone, this is Art in My Heart. Today I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna go with a trend and do an unboxing. I have just got the packet here and I'm so excited what I have in it. I have opened it so it's much easier. And here is this. I think I have got in a present. I have not ordered this. Oh, it's nice. It's 2 canvas. Very nice for oil and acrylic. And I have ordered some acrylic paint. So this is we'll see if I can reach what is some Prussiana blue it is. And I have this is violet blue cream. Maybe I take the box over here so we can see here. And here is light blue, sky light blue. It's very nice. And also orange. I like this a lot. And some zinc white, because the titanium white was empty in the store. They don't have it. And this is warm gray. If you look at the color, it's more like beige, light beige, but it says warm gray. So, and here is this is titanium, unbleached titanium. I like, no it's not. Maple yellow red. I think maybe it's wrong, I don't know. And here is rose. It's a pink, very strong. And the next is mutum violet. And here is yellow green. It's very effectful yellow, like yellow green. And here is king's blue. And the next is gold yellow, golden yellow. It's a very nice color. And the last in my package is lamp black. But this I'm very confused about. There's the maple yellow red. But I have other titanium, unbleached titanium. but the box is empty. So, and no pack specification either. We get that, well, I think it's weird, but I shall look. But I'm very pleased with this. It was very kind to give me. Yeah, here we have all the paint. That I have ordered. It's from I have ordered from a shop who's calls I have ordered this from a shop who calls konstnärsshoppen.se, and it's a artshop.se. It's Swedish and a Danish shop, and I always buy Amsterdam from them because I like Amsterdam's paint. It's very good paint. So I hope you enjoy my small color unboxing, and again, have a nice day.